Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to post something on Threads app here. So if you want to post any photos or videos here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So to post any photos, first you need to go to this option here with the square pen option in the bottom here. As you can see, tap on it and here you can start a thread here. So you can write any caption here. So you can write anything to start a thread there. And if you want to post photos or any videos here, you just have to tap on this clip option here. As you can see, there's an attachment option here. Tap on it and this will take you to your gallery, and now you can choose any photos from here. For example, I'm choosing this photo, or you can choose any video from here. So I'm just choosing this photo here, and then you just have to press down here. You can also write a caption on the photo here, and you just have to tap on post here. Also there's an option called anyone can reply. So if you want to manage that, you can public and profiles follow and also mention only. So for that I'm just gonna tap on anyone can reply and post here, and this is posting now. And as you can see, the picture is now posted here. So if I go to my profile here, as you can see, I have posted a picture here. This way you can post any photos or videos from your gallery. So that's it guys, this is how you can post anything in the Threads app here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.